Today, welcome my YouTube channel. Contact me my WhatsApp number and all whole book courses: Excel whole book, Word whole book, PowerPoint whole book, SS whole book, and whole semester. My WhatsApp number and WhatsApp link given in video description box. So contact me my WhatsApp number and for watching my video and guys step by step. So let's start assignment. Title of the assignment: New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 7 SAM Project 1A. Go to the step of the assignment. Step 1, main part of the step. Switch to the student representative worksheet in cell E2. Enter a formula using the xlookup function as follow. Okay. Part 1. Use a structure reference to the lookup up to value in the post-secondary year column. Retire the value in the two row of the table in the range P13 up to U14 using a absolute reference. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell E2, put equal sign and type xlookup function. The first condition, post secondary year column. First condition, lookup value post secondary year column, and second condition of the table range B13 up to U14. Okay, copy the range and use next reference, whole index 2 and range value 2. Click OK. Okay, next step 2. Student mobilization, some time required to transportation for off-campus activity, and school policy requires student to be over 23 years old to receive transport. Add 1 to determine how many of the active students will be eligible to transport other group member in cell G2 in the formula using the function as follow. Part 1. The function should use a reference to the age column to determine if the student age is greater than 23 and should return the text yes if true and no if false. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell J2, put equal sign and type a function. And first condition, age column is greater than 23. Okay, student age column greater than 23 and yes and no. Okay, values 2 yes and first value is no. Click OK. Okay, next step 3. In cell K2, enter a formula using the if and or function as follow. Part 1. The if function should determine if the student post-secondary year is greater than or equal to 2 or if the student field status is yes, returning the text yes if a student meet one or both of those inertia, or text no if a student meet neither of those inertia. Mm, okay, and go to the Excel sheet and select cell K2, put equal sign and type a function. In the first condition, student post condition is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, student post secondary year is okay greater than or equal to 2. And second condition, student finance certificate use status is yes. Okay, equal to yes, and the text yes is a student meet one or both of those inertia, or the text no. Okay, values for this yes, click OK, and combined function if and or function. Okay, combined and or function. No, that's entire. Okay, step 3 is done. Next step, step 4. Experienced student may serve as mentor if they are at least age 21 and have at least 3 years of the post-secondary education. In cell L2, enter a formula using the if and n function as follows. Part 1. The if function should determine if the student age is greater than or equal to 21 and the student post-secondary year are greater than or equal to 3, and should return the text yes if a student meet both of those inertia, of text no if a student meet more, none or only of the those inertia. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell L2, put equal sign and type a function. Okay, first condition, student age is greater than or equal to 21. Okay, student age greater than or equal to 21. Second condition, student post secondary year are greater than or equal to 3. Okay, greater than or equal to 3. And next condition, should return the text yes. Okay, Yes, click OK. And combine function, if and or function, no, sorry, if and AND function. Okay, and AND function, and yes, a student meet both of those and Asia of text, no, as a student meet none and only those of an Asia. Okay, and no, yes, entire. Okay, and next step, step 5, main part of the step. In cell M2 enter a formula using the state a function as follow to determine first if a student has already been elected to office a student group. Part 1, if the value is the elected column is equal to text yes, the formula should display elected as the text, otherwise the formula should determine if the value in the finance certificate column is equal to text yes and return the text is returned is true and no is false. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell M2, put equal sign and type a function. And first condition, elected column is equal to yes, equal to yes, and the formula should display adapter as the text. Okay, adapter, and otherwise the formula should determine if the value in the finance certificate column is equal to the text yes. Okay, equal to yes, click OK, and otherwise formula and return text yes and true and no is false. Okay, okay, step 5 is done. Next step, step 6, students who work with student organization are also considered for employment at the student activity office. Students with more than 4 years of post-secondary education are active, qualified for more complex tier 2 job. In cell N1, enter the text tier as the column heading. Okay, copy the text and go Excel sheet and select cell N1 and paste the text. Okay, next step, step 7, In cell N2, enter a formula using the if function as follow. The if function should determine if the student post condition is greater than or equal to 4 and return the value 2 if true and value 1 is false. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell N2, put equal sign and type if function. First condition, student post condition here column is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, select the column greater than or equal to 4 and the return value 2. Okay, and value 1 is false. Okay, click OK. Okay, next step, step 8. L want a quick away to quick up student by their student Hadi in cell Q3 nest the exciting VLOOKUP function is an error function. If the VLOOKUP function returns a error result, the text invalid student ID should display. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell Q3 and type if function and text invalid student ID. Okay, copy the text and press enter. Okay, and next step, step 9. L want to determine server total and average for active student. In cell Q8 enter a formula using the counter function to count the number of students who have been elected to office in student organization. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell Q8, put equal sign and type counter function. Elected column is select. Asia is yes. Click OK. Okay, step 9 is done. Next step, step 8. So return. In cell A8 enter a formula using the average function to determine the average number of post condition of a student who have been elected. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell A8, put equal sign and type average function. First condition, to determine the average number of post condition and who have been elected. First condition, electric column and inertia is yes, and average range post condition. Okay. Click OK. Okay, I will check this off the screenshot. Okay, and next step 11. In cell R8 enter R9 enter a formula using the average function to determine the average number of year post secondary education of all students as shown in the post secondary year column. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell 9, put equal sign and type average function, and average number of year of post secondary education. Okay, press enter. Okay, and next step 11. Switch to the academic group worksheet in cell A14. Use the index function to display the value in the first row and first column of the academic group table. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select sheet academic group and select cell A14, put equal sign and type index function. And first condition, use the function to display the value in the okay. One and one. Click OK. Okay, next step 13. In cell A17, use the something function to display the total membership in cell 2023 for group with at least 40 members. And go to the Excel sheet and select cell A17, put equal sign and type something function. To display the total membership in 2023. Okay. Ratio and sorry, particular sign and type and type some function. In the end 2023. Okay, and initial range at least 40 members. Okay, at least member. Click OK. Okay, next step 14, main part of the step. Switch to the academic pivot table worksheet, then create a pivot table in cell A1 based on the academic group table. Part A, change the pivot table name to academic pivot table. Add the activity field and the group name field in the row area, and then the 2021, 2022 and 2023 field to the value area. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell A1, go insert tab and click pivot table and click OK, and table name copy, so sheet name okay, and add the activity field and the group name field to the row area. Okay, activity field, and group name field. Okay, and add the 2021, 2023 and 2023 field to the value area. Okay, okay, and change the display of subtotal to show all subtotal at the top of the group. Okay, already select automatic. Okay, and change the report layout to show in outline form. Okay, go design tab and click report layout and select show in outline form. Okay, and update the sum of 2021 field in the value area to display the name 20 membership. Okay.